This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. This is the Alpha 77D, just picked up. We just retapped the vacuum variable header, the brass header, reinstalled it, and we want to show you the alignment with the 3-piece misalignment coupler that bridges between the crank knob and the vacuum variable shaft. Now the shaft from other videos that I posted is actually as a screw shaft that screws into the vacuum variable. The actual head of the vacuum variable was stripped. I retapped it. It's brass. On the actual screw shaft of the vacuum variable, I added some actually lithium grease, reinstalled the vacuum variable, which you could see right here with the shroud on it. It's on it's mounted on a plate. The same plate holds the plate choke. But let me show you what it looks like when it's actually installed and you can actually see the coupler. There you go. So that's the coupler. The back piece is metal with a small little thimble. The centerpiece is Teflon, and the same thing is on the other side. Now to align what you need to do, let me spin it and I'll show you exactly how it turns. Okay, now I'll show you what the variable looks like as it's turning. I'm going to turn it to the left and you could see it. Okay, I'll turn it to the right. Okay, and to the left. Here is the actual rod when it turns. And I put, like I said, I added grease to the actual screw where it screws into the brass fitting. And you could see here, let me show you where that's 90, that's 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. And then I think it turns to, let's see, when it opens, when it pulls it down, let me get back to the coupler so you can see it. That's it. And what are we at here? I think, I don't know, 240. So anyway, so that's basically it. Just to show you what that coupler looks like. There you go. I don't think I can get any closer to show you. Maybe. There we go. This is N2LEN saying best 7.3 on the vacuum variable repair, the 3-piece misalignment coupler with the Teflon center, re-greasing the vacuum variable screw shaft, and aligning to do the alignment of the vacuum variables to make sure that it snaps on correctly to the Teflon holder. You could see over here, see if I can get in with the screwdriver, you can actually see it. the distance that the actual vacuum variable is sitting. It's almost aligned perfectly to the front panel. But what you do is you get in and you actually have to tighten the screw that holds the actual vacuum variable in place. You mount the front panel first, and then you apply a little bit of tension on the vacuum variable, pushing it forward, getting the right angle, and then you tighten the brass screw. You know, if you push it too far and you make it too tight, it's only going to put more tension on the crank knob. So you want to make it where it feels smooth enough when you're turning and stuff. So that's basically it. This is N2LEN saying best 7-3.